If your Facebook account was hacked and you're thinking of how to recover it, don't scroll. Watch this video step by step to find out how you can recover your account yourself. Before we go, don't forget to hit on that notification bell, share, repost so that others can learn. You may not know who you are helping. Let's go and learn. If your password was changed, your email removed, or you notice posts that you didn't actually post, this video is for you. So the first thing that you're going to do is to go to a Google browser and type www.facebook.com/hack. Once on the browser, the next step is to identify someone else had access into my account. After finding someone else had access into my account, the third step is you will be prompted to fill in your information. You'll be asked your email, your password, the previous email that you used in that account, or telephone number. Once you are able to provide all this information, Facebook will automatically locate your account and you will recover your account. Once you recover your account, you will move to the next step, which is very, very important. You will need to change your passwords and use a strong password of not less than 12 characters. After changing your password, you will need to set a two-factor authenticator. What is two-factor authentication? It's ensuring that if someone wants to access your account, you will receive a notification either by email, by text, or by WhatsApp, informing you that someone wants to access your account. Set a strong two-factor authentication. If possible, you can use an authentication app. An authentication app you can find from Google. It's free of charge. Google Authenticator app. You can use it to authenticate your account as well. Go ahead to verify your identity. That is another important factor that will also protect your account. You need to verify your identity. When your identity is successfully verified, no third party will be able to easily have access to your account. Take note, Facebook will never recover your account by sending you a DM, a WhatsApp, or an email. Facebook will never do that. So if you receive any of these mails, you should know the hacker is coming back to you. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to repost this video, share it to more than 5, subscribe, and leave a meaningful message so that others can learn. See you in our next hack.